is a God of purpose. That's number one. Number two, nothing in life is without purpose. Nothing in life is without purpose. There is a purpose for the flower that I touch. There is a purpose for the hippopotamus. There is a purpose for water. If you don't believe that there is a purpose for water, just try and do without water for a while. You understand what it means to your body.
Right.